everyone. So today we'll learn about the gradient descent. So what is gradient descent? It's an algorithm to train the machine learning models as well as neural networks. It minimizes the error between the actual value as well as predicted value. So how does it change? So let us see. So basically our model is wx plus p, f of x equal to wx plus p. So how does it actually changes the w value so that it decreases the cost function value? So these are the formulas related how it decreases the w parameter as well as b parameter. So w equal to w minus alpha as a derivative part of cost function. So alpha here is the learning rate. So and this is the derivative part and derivative part of cost function. So what is cost function? What is cost function? So it is represented by j. It is equal to 1 by 2m. So m is the number of training examples. It grows from summation I equal to 0 to m, that is training examples, where it is equal to the predicted value minus actual value square. So it is known as the error. So it is also known as a squared error function. How exactly the changing of parameters of this example is decreasing the value of cost function. So let us see an example of cost function. The curve is like this. So let us take one value of w here. So when we draw a line like tangent, so this is how the slope comes. So 3 and 1, and the derivative part here the values, it's a it's a positive value, right? So 3 by 1 slope is positive, so derivative part is positive, and the alpha is always positive, the learning rate is always positive, we all know that. So w equal to w minus the positive value, which means the value of w is decreasing. So this is how the cost function value here, if we take here, it will decrease. So now let us take the exact complement example of this. So similar slope, similar graph. Now let us take a point here. So this is how the tangent comes and the slope here. So the value is y of minus 3 and the x value is 1. So the slope value is negative. So w is equal to w minus learning rate of derivative part. As we know that here the derivative part, that is slope is negative, right? So it is negative. So the negative part into alpha is a positive part. So the product of these both will be negative. So w is equal to w minus negative value, which is w is equal to the value of w is increasing. So increasing means it is moving in the positive x direction. So it is reaching towards the lowest point of w, that is value of w is decreasing, which means here the cost function is decreasing. So this is how the changing of parameters of w affects the learning rate. This is how the gradient descent improves the model. Thank you.